Today, let's learn the way that you delete videos on Dailymotion. If you have uploaded videos onto Dailymotion and you're trying to delete some of them, in this video, let me show you how. If this is something that you want to learn, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. From dailymotion.com, you need to head over to Studios by heading over to the profile icon on the top right and then click on Studio. Inside of the Studios page and under the Videos tab, you'll be able to see all of the videos that are uploaded to your Dailymotion channel. Now to delete any video, you can click on the three dotted line on the right hand side of a particular video, and here you'll be able to see the option of delete. It says right here, this will permanently delete your video. This action can't be undone. So if you agree, you can just click on the delete button. What you can also do is if you're trying to delete a bunch of videos all at once, you can click on these boxes so that the delete option appears on the top and all of the selected videos will be deleted all at once. So either you can delete individual videos or delete all of the videos all at once as well. So that was the quick tutorial on the way that you delete videos on Dailymotion. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.